You wanna have social media banners like this? Today it's your lucky day because you will get these social media banners for free. Sounds great? Awesome. Let's jump into this tutorial and open this folder. You will see inside of the folder the fonts that I use for this project, and you will have also social media icons, and what we need to edit it's inside of this Adobe After Effects project. Let's open now. And we have this project with main composition, logo, and final composition. So let's start with the beginning. Let's change this name. So let's put here InsideTips, and maybe you wanna have a subscribe for your YouTube, I don't know. And now let's change this logo from here. So I see YouTube here and I forgot to put YouTube in here, so let's drag and drop here. So we have this and our social icons look like this. What you need to do is to open the last social icon and open this, because we have these numbers in here. So for our YouTube, who is like this, we need to enter these numbers 1340 from this, and now we have 982, and we need to scale to 35. So there you have it. YouTube social banner right in the position. Okay, so we have now in the main composition the YouTube banner. So you can do for all the banners. Twitter will be Twitter, and maybe you wanna put Facebook and will be Facebook. So for our case will be YouTube. Okay, so we have in here, let me render this subscribe InsideTips, and now we have just this simple look. But in the final composition I work a lot here, and we will have 15 seconds of this animation will be fade in, stay there, and after 45 seconds we will have this go back, and we have 5 seconds without the social media banner. So this is the animation, and what you need to do next is to go on make sure you have this final composition open when you are ready, and make sure this is your final project and your style. And now with final composition, select, go to composition, add to render queue, and from here we need to hit this lossless and go with quick time. And from this, don't forget to choose RGB plus alpha, because we will have with other options this black background, so make sure you will have RGB plus alpha to make this background transparent. And now let's hit OK. Let's keep here best settings, and let's name this composition okay, social banners. And now let's render. So I think this is it. This was the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, share and subscribe. And leave some comments below. I want to know what you think about these social media banners. Till next time, don't forget, tips to know.